Hello, my darling. Well, you want to know the secret, right? You want to know how to make cakes. Well, I'm not going to tell you how to make professional cakes in this video, but I am going to tell you the secret. The secret. There is a secret place where you can learn all the skills on how to make professional cakes. I am serious. There is a community, a big community, a secret big community that is making professional cakes and teaching people how to make professional cakes easily in your own kitchen. That's amazing, right? Well, I will tell you where to find that secret place. That secret place is called, please don't tell anyone about this. That secret place is called Keikos-Cakes. It's a big community called Keikos-Cakes, led by a master chef called Keiko. Well, it's a big community. When you join it, I can lead you where you join it, but it's a secret place. Don't tell anyone about this. I can lead you where you can join it and learn all of the stuff you can think of about professional cakes. There are over 150 baking tutorials on making professional cakes in that community, and you're taught by a master chef called Keiko. It's his big community that he created so that he can teach people like you and me who want to know how to make those professional cakes we always see in the market. Well, we can make that in our own kitchen thanks to Keiko. So this big community, I have left a link in the description that leads to the community, but don't tell anyone about this. It's a top secret community where you can learn all the baking skills you can think of. Well, Keiko, he teaches you how to make professional cakes from A to Z in the big community. All the baking tutorials are in PDFs and in videos, and they are all downloadable. That's amazing, right? That means you can download them on your PC and you can watch them when you're offline. Keikos-Cake is the best online tutorials on the planet. That's why it's so secret. So go in the link in the description and see for yourself what I'm talking about. You'll be amazed. So impressive.
Keiko-Cakes, 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 Keiko-Cakes. I want to learn how to make cakes, man. You gotta go to Cake Cakes, man. This is the place, real place, special, but I'm in a secret place in the planet, yo. It is the biggest.